going on, YouTube? It has been way too long. Let's get right into it. So, first things first. Motor's out, as you can see. Car's been painted. Looks a little messy right now, sorry. But car's been painted. We are currently in the process right now, building the motor. It has come along so great, you guys. We got pistons, rods, cams, new valves, a billet flywheel. Check this out. It's a Fidanza 11-pound flywheel for the KA24DE. We got competition clutch. It's a stage 4 6-puck clutch, sprung. Really nice addition. I'm kind of worried about the rear axles on this thing. I don't know, you guys. I really don't know. I don't know if it's going to do well. I don't know if it's going to, fall flat on its face. What's going to happen? As you guys can see, engine bay is starting to get tore down. As you can see here, we got chipping, rusting. Previous owner did a battery tray delete, but that's in turn causing problems down here. So that'll be one thing we need to fix. We also got the Mishimoto radiator. Also got the Mishimoto shroud. This is gonna be a big step up. Next thing we got, you guys are probably gonna laugh at it, or you might be happy about it, but we got the system going in. The Rockford Fosgates. It's a little tricky since I've been pulling the wiring out of the engine bay, so it's been, you know how that goes. Wiring turns into a big old spaghetti noodle fest, and that's that. So with the Deechworks, I have 740cc injectors, side feed. They're kind of like the stock ones, basically, to go back into the KA24DE. A DW300 pump. Just got that installed with the install kit for the KA24DE, or I guess it'd just be for the S14 really. Working on the intake manifold, which as you can see here, the intake manifold, a lot of this stuff is going to be coming off. Actually, this whole set of vacuum lines, the hard lines, are going to come off. That's the IAC right here, I believe. Yeah, that's the IAC. I don't know if that's going to be staying. I went ahead and did this trick here. Come on, focus. Focus. Okay, it doesn't want to focus. So that was the bar that sat here. So I tapped all 4 of these holes. That hole, that hole, that hole. I'm probably going to do a simplification of the intake manifold on the K. I think I've only found one video, and it's for the S13. I believe, because some of this was not the same. Butterfly setup going through the intakes to control throttle. There was a couple other things that I didn't see in the video, so I might go through and do that. The vacuum lines, for sure, those are the things to get rid of. These lines right here, a few of them run to the throttle body. EGR, I had to think about it. The EGR, a lot of that stuff, unless you're in an emission state, a lot of that doesn't really matter. And all in all, most of the time you can get away with it without needing that stuff, so it's up to you. I'm in a non-emission, it's an exempt state from all the smog and everything, so for us it doesn't matter, which I'm sure in the next 10 years it probably will, with EV becoming a big thing, but we're in the now, so let's not even worry about it. Go ahead and get you guys a couple close-ups on the motor. So did the paint for the compressor housing. I fixed these lines here. They were really bad. I guess just because I was in such a hurry that I didn't really care if they were on tight or not, which was kind of stupid. I got it's a Glow Shift sandwich adapter plate for the oil filter, so I can run my oil feed here. We paint matched the water pump and the coolant neck to the block. As you can see, it's actually really nice. The front covers are all black. The bolts are burnt copper to match everything else to kind of keep it all in suit. I did the RSP for the valve cover, which is actually the same color that I'm going to be doing the engine bay. There's been a lot going on. We're finally in a garage. We got concrete floors, no more grass, no more sketchiness on the jack stands. I'm happy about that. I can finally go into detail about everything I'm doing without being too cold or the wind messing up my audio or rain coming down so I can't work on the car today. A lot has been getting done, you guys, and I'm super excited because we are right there. This is the last leg of the race. Literally all we're waiting for is this engine bay. Once we can get that done, you guys, it is on to the action videos. We're gonna be roll racing in Mexico. We're gonna take it down to the Drift Indy Street League, which takes place at Killcare, which is about 2 hours away from me. So that'll be a good daily driver test for this car to know if it's going to be good for long periods of time on the road, which with the radiator setup, everything that I got going on engine wise, this car should be bulletproof for years to come. Besides the axles and the drive shaft, those should be the only two things that really limit this car. But we're kind of caught up. I might do the video for you guys. I might not on the intake. Actually, if you guys want to drop down in the comments below what you're thinking. If you think it's a good idea to do that, because like I said, the one video I did find was on an S14. It was on an S13. S14 manifolds might be just a hair different. But let me know, drop it down in the comments below. You know, we're here. We finally got a spot. We're finally in an area where we can really build on this car and do exactly what I've been trying to do. So if you guys don't care, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you know whenever I'm uploading. Be on the lookout, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.